kings and queens. Good morning. Happy Friday. I hope you guys are staying safe and well. Wishing you guys a great weekend. I just want to show you guys my juice that I'm making this morning. I have a cucumber from Farmer Burton's garden and a lime and 2 apples and some pineapples. That's my juice for today. I'm going to cut the apple up, leaving the skin on, and I'm leaving as you can see, I still have the skin on the cucumber. The skin is very nutritious, and I'm going to use my juicer. I love this juicer. So cameraman is in school, so I'm gonna try my best to do this by myself. So I'm gonna put that in my juicer. I've cut up my apples. This is what I have so far. This is what I got. All completed. So guys, after juicing and straining, this is what I end up with. And I'm going to have one for breakfast and one for snack. So it's a good meal replacement. And also guys, I wanted to add like a thumb size piece of ginger, but I forgot. So you can add ginger to it as well. Okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I hope I did good without camera guy, because he's in school, of course. And thank you guys for your love and your support. Until next time, I appreciate you guys watching and supporting me. Big up on yourself. One love.